let's do some hairstyles for dirty hair. You will need a conditioner, a paddle brush and a round brush, a comb, a hairband and elastic band, and some hairpins. I'm gonna start off by using the conditioner to slick my hair to make it shiny. It also smells good, and it also conditions my hair before I go wash it out in the afternoon. Using the comb, you want to part your hair in the middle. Just make sure that you slick that hair back. And now we're gonna keep the bottom part of the hair away and twist your upper hair into a beautiful bun. You can then secure it with your hairband. Now we're gonna take the bottom of the hair to conceal the hairband. You can use hairpins just to make sure to secure it. Voila! That's the first one. Very quick, very easy. This is one of my favorite ones that I overdo. I love it because it's elegant and you can do this hairstyle for any event or for any occasion. So the French braid, you would want to part the crown of your head into 3. So we want to cross each side of the middle braid and bring it to the center of the braid. So I'm going to take a little bit from each side, so a little bit of hair from each side. Gather it into this section and then cross it over into the middle. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Grab a bit of hair together in that section and cross it in the middle of the plait, and then just repeat. You can use any elastic band or hairband of your choice and just tie it up. Alright, you want to part your hair on the side. Choose your favorite side. We're going to have 3 sections. So on one side here, we've got 1 and 2 left. So following that line, I'm going to keep it aside. So that first section, I will divide it into 2. The top layer of the hair will twist underneath and this will secure the hair into place. And now the two sections, we're going to plait this area as well. So we're going to take the back of the hair to cross at the front, and then the front will do the reverse, and they're all crossing in the middle. Make sure not to be too tight at the front. We want it to be a little bit loose. And then just to be playful, I'm just going to use another type of hairband. It's very cute, simple, and playful. The sexy high ponytail, you would want to part your hair into just the top part, making sure to slick the hair on both sides. We will then gather the hair and drag the hair up. And now you just style it to your preference. If you don't like it too tight or too loose, make sure you brush the bottom bit up. And that's it. All those hairstyles are very quick to do. I think they're convenient, they don't need any hairspray, they don't need any dry shampoo. It's quick and easy. The fishtail braid. So as a preference, if you want to part your hair into the top, or you don't need to. So I'm just gonna secure my hair at the bottom with an elastic band, and sectioning my hair in two, I will flip it over and underneath, just making sure to conceal that band. So you want to part the tail in two. Let's call it from the right. We'll take a little bit of hair and cross over to the left. And we'll take a little bit of hair from the left and we'll cross it over to the right. One more time, I'm just going to take a little piece of hair from the right and flip it across to the left, and a little bit of left hair and on the right, and then just repeat. So the fishtail looks a little bit more structured than the normal French braid that we usually do. It takes a little bit more time and my arms are killing me, but that's okay. The results are worth it. Of course, now you can make it bigger or tighter, just to show you a few examples of what you can do with the braid. It's quick and easy. So I'm parting my hair on one side, and then I'm going to section the front area that I'm going to wrap up around the hairband in the end to conceal the elastic band. So you want to gather all your hair, and then you're going to drag it up again. It's a nice way to reveal your jawline, especially having like an updo. Try to make it as high as possible. Just like that. Depends what type of volume you're looking for. I'm just trying to flatten it up just a little bit for me. Trying to make it a little bit messy and not too polished. So on the other side, it needs to be high again, but I'm gonna twist that side. Just making sure that it's as flat as possible as you can do it. And then you're gonna wrap it around the hair band and you're gonna secure it with a pin. And that's pretty much it. It looks nice, effortless. And I'm also gonna check it out if I do it in a bun as well. Like you might have really dirty hair and you actually don't want to show your ponytail, so let's just quickly wrap it around. Right now it looks like a seashell, but you get it. It does kind of look cute and chic. It needs a little bit of styling here and there, but yeah. So that's a wrap for me. Thank you for watching my video again, and I hope it has been helpful. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video. Thank you. Bye.